guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know, my name is Tania. Today I'm gonna create a summer makeup look that is gonna be very colorful and bold. So if you want to know how I create this look, please keep watching. Well, I already have moisturized and prepped my skin. Now it's time for foundation, and I'm gonna use this Maybelline Super Stay foundation in the shade 312. But this shade is slightly deeper for my skin tone, so I'm gonna mix this foundation with the MAC Studio Fix With foundation in the shade NC37. And now I'm gonna use this damp makeup sponge to make the application even more smooth. And I'm just blending the foundation well. And now I'm gonna use this concealer. This concealer is from Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer in the shade medium, and I'm using this concealer to brighten up the skin. And I'm using it on my eyelids, under my eyes, on the forehead, on the bridge of my nose, and on my chin. And right now I'm blending the concealer with the help of my damp makeup sponge. And I'm just making sure the concealer blends well on my face and my face doesn't look cakey. So yeah, I'm just blending. And now I'm using the banana powder from Makeup Revolution. I'm using the powder on the concealed areas, exactly where I applied the concealer. And this powder has a bright yellow tone to it, and it's really great for Indian skin tone. And now I'm contouring my face. And this look is gonna be glowy, bronzy and summery. So contouring is really important for this particular look. And right now I'm contouring my cheekbone. And right now I'm applying the contouring powder on the temple of my head. And I'm just blending the powder. And right now I'm contouring the other side of my face. And I'm just blending it. Also, I'm applying the contouring powder on the temple. And also I'm applying the powder on my forehead a little bit, not too much, as I have really small forehead. Well, right now I'm again using the banana powder so that the contouring looks well defined and more sharp. And I'm applying the powder all over my face to make sure everything blends well and looks nice and smooth. And right now I'm using a brown eyeshadow to contour my nose so that my nose looks slimmer than before. And I'm using a tiny brush to do that. And later I had blended the powder on my nose, and right now I'm using the eyebrow pencil from Maybelline in the shade dark brown. And I'm filling in the gaps so that it gives me a fuller look. Well, right now I'm trying to draw few thin lines to make my eyebrows thicker but natural. And I'm a big fan of bushy and thick eyebrows. So yeah. And right now I'm applying a shade to create the base for my eye makeup. And this eye makeup is gonna be very colorful and bold. As I told you guys, this is a summer makeup tutorial, so it is supposed to be like that. And I'm blending the shade all over my eyelids right now. And right now I'm gonna use this MAC Fix Plus to make my shimmery and glittery eyeshadows more intense. And right now I'm applying a pink shimmery shade on my crease, and I'm drawing a wing. And right now I'm doing the same on my another eye. I'm drawing a wing on my crease. And right now I'm applying a green shimmery shade near my lash line instead of the eyeliner. And I'm trying to intensify the color. I'm doing the same on my another eye. I'm using the same green shimmery shade near my lash line and trying to draw the wing. And right now I'm applying a blue shimmery shade on the top of the pink eyeshadow and I'm drawing a wing. I'm doing the same on my another eye. I'm just drawing the wing right now. And I'm just making sure everything looks neat and clean. And right now I'm just building up the color and I'm trying to make sure both of my eyes look similar. Well, right now I'm highlighting the inner corners of my eyes and I'm using a golden glitter shade to highlight the areas. And right now I'm applying the same golden glitter shade to highlight my brow bones. But soon I realized I didn't like it on my brow bones. So I decided to apply the Pro Illuminate highlighter from Makeup Revolution on that area, so that it gives me a nice glow. And right now I'm applying the kohl pencil on both of my upper and lower waterline to make the eye makeup complete. And now I'm applying a deep green eyeshadow on my lower lash line. And I'm blending the shade so that it gives me a smoky look. And now I'm coating my eyelashes with the mascara. And this mascara is from Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. And I always use more than one coat so that my lashes look longer and thicker. And right now I'm applying the mascara on my lower lash line to make my lashes longer and thicker. Well, I already had put the falsies and right now I'm applying the blush on my cheeks, and this product is from Revlon in the shade Classic Coral. And also I'm applying the blush a little bit on my nose. Now I'm applying the highlighter on my cheekbones and a little bit on my temples so that it gives me a nice and healthy glow. And this highlighter is from Makeup Revolution London. This is the Pro Illuminate highlighter from Makeup Revolution. And also I'm applying the highlighter on the bridge of my nose, on the tip of my nose, also on my chin, a little bit, on my cupid bow, and also on my forehead to make the overall makeup look glowy. And right now I'm gonna apply the lipstick from Faces Canada in the shade Caramel and Sugar. So this is the final look. if you guys enjoyed my video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like and share this video, and I'll see you soon guys in my next video. Bye bye, take care.